really, really slow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Good, good. But how about we will actually touch our head? You're not touching your head. Your arms are going right here, but I want you will touch your head, okay? Ready, and go. Drake, look at me. Look at me. I want that you will bring your arms to your head, not your head to your arms. Don't move your head. Head is still. Just move your arms close to your head, okay? Ready?
Head to arms.
Hmm?
Head to arms. Go. Hey, Leah. Mr. Leah.
Good, but you need to make
wanna
big
see
circles above the water, above the water,
Okay.
above the water. I will see it in a couple minutes, okay? Ready, Drake? Ready, and go. Good. Good, that was good. Your right arm is awesome. How about we will look at the left one? Left one. Bring it above the water. Bring it above the water.
This time I looked at under the water.
Okay. Ready? Okay, and again, right arm is perfect. Bring your left one, left arm, this one, above the water, okay? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, ready? Go.
Have I cleaned the pool yet?
Good.
Have I cleaned the pool?
Good. That was good. That was really good.
Huh?
Okay. Pick up pink and blue.
Pink and blue? That's
Pink
green.
and blue. I want the pink and blue. Good. Good enough. I want an orange one.
I think I'm not really going there, but I think I'm going to get the green one.
You want a green one? How about you will pick up both of them?
Okay.
Okay.
Then that I'll get two of the word that makes four.
Yes?
Okay, come over here. You got to do swim in my...
Good. Really good.
You know that I floated up?
Yes, I know.
I did it on my first time and on my second time.
Okay. Legs up. Ready? And kick. No, no, no. Arms down. Help yourself. Move your arms. No, no, no. Kick, 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 kick. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. You're fine. Good.
Lemon last plan. Over there with Maria. Nope, can't earn his trip right here.
Ready? Last one. All the way to the
Nemo,
left.
do you have your bathing suit too?
As long as you can.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
Good. Ready? Last one. Go. Good. Okay then. It's great. Now, when you're going to swim, I want that you will bring your head one time up, take a new breath, and pull it back down. And I will catch you, okay?
Yeah, I'll try.
One time. One
But
time.
it might be a little fast.
I know, it's okay, but still, I want that you will breathe. Bring your head up, take your breath, and pull it back down, okay?
Yeah.
And I will catch you after that.
Yeah, but you know I take this time I might take a fast breath.
Okay. Okay, as long as you will make it. Ready?
Go over there.
It wasn't a breath. I want that you will kick, especially hard when you're bringing your head up, okay? Okay, let's try
But
again.
I might throw it this way.
I just want that you will take one more breath, okay? Move your arms. Keith, help yourself. Help yourself when you're taking breath, okay? Especially move your arms hard her heart, okay? Ready? One breath, one breath.
Stay up there.
You will take a deep
You mean
one
you
more
want me
breath.
to move like this?
I want that you will move everything. Keep, move your arms. Take
I thought
one more
you
breath. One more breath.
I thought you meant like this.
Move your arms. Whatever way is easy for you, okay? But I want you to bring your head up. Take your breath and pull it back down in and swim, okay?
Okay. Mommy, don't sleep.
Breathe. Breathe. Go. Breathe. Breathe. Good. One more time, that's okay. When I'm taking you off, that's when you okay? Ready? Go.
Mommy, are you?
Slower.
Go.
Okay, ready? Good. Good. Great job. Okay.
Mom, are you
You can have them
sleep?
on the back.
Good job, Drake.
On the back. Hop, hop, hop. Go. 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 Push. Keep. Keep.
Don't let me go.
Keep. Stand up. Good. Good job. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Haley, you're
Ella,
up.
come over here.
Come on.